Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to access and use Google Gemini AI. So the first thing that we are going to do is look for a Gemini app here on Google. You should see something like this. It's gemini.google.com. Just go ahead and click this one. So the moment you open it, you should see the app itself. It's gemini.google.com/app. So you can just go ahead and visit this particular website in order for you to be redirected here. Now, the good thing about this particular app is it is integrated to some of Google's application and platforms. For example, you have their YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and show you an example here. We're going to go ahead and suggest YouTube or ask YouTube. For example, there you go, YouTube. As you can see, you just have to type at and then the software that you're going to be using or platform. So I have used YouTube, for example. I'm going to go ahead and ask this one to suggest me some healthy applications or healthy options that I can eat during this particular diet season. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. So the moment you do that one, you should see something like this already. So here are some videos on YouTube that suggest a healthy diet for this coming summer season for people living in the Philippines. So you are going to see a lot of these videos. You can go ahead and open them, or you can go ahead and scroll down in order for you to open it here. For example, this one, I'm just going to go ahead and open it just like so. You can see that there is of course an ad, so you're just going to have to wait for it. But basically you can see the video right away just like so. So basically that's how it goes, everybody. You can go ahead and watch the videos from here. And yep, that's one thing. And you can go ahead and make use of this one. For example, I'm going to go ahead and ask this particular application. For example, I'm going to tag Google. All right, you can see here Google Flights, Hotel, Maps, and so on and so forth. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose hotels. Suggest a hotel near. So for example, I have asked here, suggest a hotel near Sagada, Philippines for this April 2024. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. All right, there you go. As you can see, we have here, and the good thing about this, it even includes the price for the hotels. So you can go ahead and click this one, and you should be able to see the hotel right away. There you go. This is actually very helpful because, again, this is already integrated. You can click the prices, you can click the reviews, and see it. So that's the good thing about this. So you can make use of this one. And yep, another thing is this one here. It has the capability to upload an image and then basically analyze that image and tell you something. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and click the upload button, and I'm going to use Google's logo. For example, I'm going to click this one here, and then I'm going to go ahead and ask Gemini to tell me something about the image. I'm not even gonna mention Google. Tell me something about this image here. All right, just like that. So I'm not going to include Google because that might make it easier for Gemini to basically process this one. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. All right, there you go. So it says here that the image you sent is of the Google logo on a white background. The Google logo is a multicolored, and yep, that's actually pretty interesting. Oh, one thing by the way, if you don't want to read it, you can just go ahead and click this one here.
The image you sent is of the Google logo on a white background. The Google logo is a multicolored text-based logo featuring the word Google in lowercase letters. The colors are from left to right: blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red.
Now, yeah, again, those are some of the things that you can use Gemini for. However, it has a lot of potential. So go ahead and explore and see the potential that this application can give you. Anyway, should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Have a good day, everyone.